come with us to Turkey, Istanbul. So we stopped by in Turkey, Istanbul, but I never showed this video. So come with me. Let's see what happened in Turkey. Oh my God, there are many reasons why I love Turkey. Oh my God, Istanbul. Istanbul is just like, you know, they don't have days, they don't have nights in this part of the world. Like this is about, oh my God.
Gençler Birliği.
I gotta move.
Sizin gibi gençliğim olsa dünya kadar borcum olsa be.
So this is about 9 a.m. in the morning. When you look behind me, you will see the line, the crew. They're already selling food.
Yeah, mashallah.
Look at that, mashallah.
Mashallah.
Mashallah. It doesn't matter, morning,
Yes,
afternoon,
just
night.
meat or chicken kebab.
Meat or chicken
Yeah.
kebab. I just want juice.
Yeah, orange juice, granada juice, fresh orange juice.
Okay, granada
Breakfast
juice
here.
mixed with pineapple. Yeah, that's what I want. And a lot of tourist people are here. Hi. Hello, hello,
Haydi
everyone.
gençler.
Oh my God.
Haydi gençler.
Aha. Look at that.
Welcome.
The kebab. Yes, everything. Look at the lineup. Look around. Like this is the center of Turkey. Tourist area.
Aldım, selam aldım.
Ambulance. Tourist place. People from all over the world, they converge here. This is Taksim Square. In the next video, I will tell you guys, I'm gonna sit down in a quiet place and I will tell you reasons why Turkey is a place to be. I want some juice. You guys have juice? I usually buy from this guy. Where is my guy for the juice? Oh my God, it's crazy busy. Look at it. Okay, this one is less busy. Can I have juice, please? Yeah.
Granat, orange, apple, pineapple.
Granat. Emre. Emre, go get my juice, my fresh juice.
Yes, fresh juice.
Fresh juice. Is it ready? Okay.
Pineapple and granada mix.
Granada, yes.
Topping.
Yes. So the hotel where we're staying is very close. So every morning I stop by here and I get my fresh juice.
Fresh juice.
Fresh
This
juice.
is Öztürkler. Yes.
Granada
Yes.
and pineapple.
And pineapple.
200.
Fenomen dolmacı Hayrettin.
Hello. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, shish kebab. No, too early for that.